Bungalow.
Oh, bungalow.
Bungalow.
I'm curious, is this para for your bachelor era? Or para na-foresee mo na dito ka?
Yes. Ako, I don't, of course, I plan for the future, but there are certain things in my life right now na I live by the moment. Na parang right now, this is what's on hand, at hand, just the new home. And then, ginawa ko siya based on what I wanted it to look like at the moment and not preparing for the future. In that aspect, in that aspect, yung having a family and settling down. We can go there with the house design, but right now it's really configured for me.
Yes.
In terms of interiors, parang ano yung mga non-negotiables?
Interiors non-negotiables? Meron ba? Simple lang naman bahay ko eh.
May dirty kitchen ka pa ba?
Sa awa ng Diyos, meron namang dirty kitchen. But for me, siguro, ang non-negotiable, space. I want a lot of spaces. I don't want cluttered rooms and areas in my own. Minimalist kasi ako eh. And ang pinaganda kasi ng minimalist, mas madaling maglinis ng bahay.
Okay.
So that's a non-nego for me. I don't want cluttered design. Ayoko yung maraming nangyayari, yung magulo. What I want is something that I can wake up every morning, and thank God for another day na walang masyadong marami nangyayari sa paligid ko. And that's how the house looks like right now. Actually, I have it all rendered already. Secret lang muna.
Okay, so speaking of... Sorry. So speaking of minimalist, so what about the color? Is it more on color? Black, white, beige?
Muted tones, muted earth tones.
Okay.
Walang loud. Siguro magkakaroon lang loud when it comes to art pieces. Pero, Patty and I made sure na it's not gonna be an eyesore for guests eventually. Pero kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, hindi kasi ako talaga mahilig mag-invite. I only invite important people in my home and the ones that really matter. So I'm not a fan of hosting. Hindi, medyo nakakapagod siya in a sense. But every now and then maybe, but I don't do it oftenly. I just do it pag if ever the situation calls for it.
And then how about, how does it feel living the life? Siyempre, it's really personal for you na may bago kang home.
Yes.
How does it feel for living the life?
Masaya. It's very liberating. Actually, being able to, nag-start lang naman yung moving out of the family home was during 2019 pandemic. So that moment, medyo may ganun na siyang feeling. But right now kasi, it's, of course, I'm gearing towards, an older age. And then, yung specifications ng bahay na and ng area na gusto kong pagtiran is, of course, accustomed to my needs. And, kagaya nga, this house has its own bike room. So it has its own cycling room. Yun ang isa sa mga pinalagay ko. And it's also gonna be my gym. So, syempre, yung health talaga yun ang dapat kung pinag-i-investan at the moment because medyo busy tayo, sunod-sunod. So we can't really be sick. Health is luxury for me.
What are your favorite spaces?
Favorite spaces? Ako, any room basta may beanbag. As in, yung beanbag kasi, number one, dali niyang ayusin because I have OCD. And then, ang dali niyang ayusin at the same time, at comfortable siya as long as it's full coverage kung katawan mo yung nakasink into the beanbag. So, yun, any room na may ganun, that's the place for me. Kasi minsan, most of the time, whenever during my downtimes, I don't wanna lay on my bed if I'm not gonna be sleeping. Kasi naayos ko yan eh, parang hotel finish yung mga kama ko palagi eh, whenever I fix it.
Mention na render na yung design.
Yes.
So currently, ano yung nilo-look forward mo area?
Of course, the bike room, and the sala. Of course, yung sala.
Usually room, di ba?
Usually bedroom. Basta bike room sa kasala.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alden.
Maraming salamat.